Welcome back. It's a nice morning. We have a good coffee. So today we're gonna speak about cables, charging cables. When you say charging cables, yeah, you think all the charging cables are just wires. No, are not only just wires. Every cable is different. And if you ask why a genuine Apple cable is £25, I will show you today. So let's start. I have some cables. Even nice cables. Look, nice cable. £1 cables from Pawn Shop. Yes. So we have a lot of cables. We have more cables. More cables. So let's start. Test all these cables. Even new cables. Now today we have a lot of cables to test to see exactly which is the difference. Why not everyone is buying cables from Pawn Shop? It's just £1. What's the point paying 25? So let's check. Let's check and see what's going on. Okay, so I'll take my cables out. And we have a Samsung phone. We have an iPad. White connector, small connector. And that's all. Let's test. So the first, let's take my cable to have like to see from where from where we start. So we start. Let's make the USB power meter bigger. I think we need this bigger. Let's make this bigger. Yes. Yeah. So what do we need? We need the amps. Because the voltage is the same. The watts. I don't care about the watts. It's all about the amps. All the chargers they have 5 volts, so that's like a fixed thing. You know, this is 5.1, so it's no difference. It can be even 5.2. But let's check. We have a Samsung phone. We plug the cable, and 1.2 amps. 1.2 amps. It's a little bit too low. Only 1.2 amps. Probably even my cable is not good. But we'll see. Oh look, 1.4. Okay, now it's better. Even my cable is dodgy. 1.4 amps, yeah? So it's all about amps. So if this cable has 1.4 amps, we are selling this cable with £5 here on the shop. Let's check with different cables. Let's take a Pawn Shop. Pawn Shop one. This is from Pawn Shop. This is £1 cable. Yeah, let's check this cable and see. Cable from Pawn Shop. So with this cable, we have 1 amp. 1 amp. So this, it's only 1 amp. 1 amp is not enough. So 1 amp, the charging time will be longer. But actually it's unexpected. It's quite good. Okay, that's 1 amp. Let's check more. Let's check more cables. What about this one? Let's check this one. Some second-hand cable. This cable. this is great. 1.3 amps. Well, this is a good cable. So this is good. Let's take more cables. This. Let's see this one. This is like mine. Zero 0.6. So the charging time is double on this one. So this is not good. This is rubbish. Okay. What about this multi-charger? Let's check this multi-charger. And we have, yeah, it's okay, 1.3. Yeah, it's good because it's short. Obviously the long cable will not be so good. Let's take more. This is Remax. Oh, this is a good brand. Probably this is good. Probably this is a good cable. Oh, I will keep this cable. 1.7 amps. Ah, I can't believe. So this is even better like mine one, which is like 1.3, 1.4 amps. Oh, I will keep this cable. Yes. So the real charging current should be 1.7. Okay. Let's check this one. 1.7. I can't believe. So this is BlackBerry one. 1.3. Yeah, but a good one is 1.7. Still okay. Let's test more cables. What about this one? This is not good. This is faulty. What about this one? So you see, all the cables are different. $1.7. Probably this is some genuine cable. I will keep this one. Okay. Let's take another one. This looks like Samsung one. Let's check if it's the genuine one. I know it should be probably around 2 amps, the genuine one. Oh, this is nothing. This is 1 amp. Why only 1 amp? 1 amp still good, but it's not okay because the charging time is longer. What about this one? Let's check this one. The 0.8. Bad cable. Okay, let's take another one. Okay, that's Apple. That's micro USB. Look, another nice micro USB cable. So you see two cables, same cables, yeah? This is the same. You can see it's the same. The same cable. Same cable. But this has 800 milliamps, yeah? And the other one, this one, let's check again. 1.7, over 1.7 amps. So probably that's a fake cable or a faulty one. Can be faulty also. Still charging, still charging. Let's get another one. Because of that, it's very important to use a USB power meter and check the cables. What about this one? 1 amp. The charging time is double on this one. We have more? Yeah, we have more. We have. Okay, this looks nice. This looks like a genuine cable. $1.7. Yeah, this is genuine. I will keep this cable. 1.7 amps. Yeah. You see what I mean when I said that all the cables are different? What about this one? Let's check this one. Oh, this is not even working. So this is gone. We have more? Nah, so we finish with the Samsung's cables. No, no more. Let's go. Oh yeah, yeah, we have more. 1 second. Let's check this one. $1.2. 1.2. Still good, but it's not what I'm looking for. That's Apple. Yeah, that's another micro USB. This looks brand new. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. $1.7. I will keep this cable. You see, that's a proper genuine cable. Nice cable. I'll keep that one. Yeah, that's all. Let's go for the Apple cables. I'll be more exciting. Yes. So we finish with the Samsung. Let's go first with the Y connector. Y connector, we'll test first with my cable. My cable, Y connector. This is a Belkin cable. 2 amps. You see, 2 amps. So iPad should take like 2 amps. 2 amps. Let's check the white key. Okay, white connector. Sync and charger cable. iPad 2 free. Okay, that's iPad 2. That's good. So this is our cable. This is from Pawn Shop. £1 cable. £1 cable. £1 cable. You joking? So we have 2 amps on this cable. That's crazy. I should buy more. 2 amps. That's very unexpected. That's crazy. You know what? I will keep that cable. 2 amps. That's crazy. So that cable it's quite good. Okay. Let's check. Looks like a genuine one. Two amps. Wow. I have only good cables here. Okay, I'll keep that one. Let's check more. What about this one? What about this one? $1.3 amps. You see 1.4 amps. It's still working, but it's charging slowly. You see what I mean? Okay, what about this one? 1.3 amps. You see? Still okay, but slow charge. So if your thing it's charging slowly, you know why now. That's all? Okay, that's all the big things. Yeah. And you have... Yeah, so we finish. Okay, so we have our one, which we are selling this cable. Oh, what is the cable? Yes, yeah. This is our cable. £2 amps. Yeah. So we are selling this cable with £5. But yeah. Okay, so these cable are fine. We finish with these ones, with the wide ones. Let's go and check the yeah, the small connector. So where is my cable? Okay, it's here. That's my cable. So the charging current on the, yeah, 2 amps. Yeah, nearly 2 amps. Okay, let's check with the other cables. That's from Pawn Shop. See, £1 cable will be the same way like original one. Two amps. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, probably it's no protection behind of this plastic, because the original one has some chips inside with the serial number and protection against high voltage. Yeah, but that's good. Let's check another one. Let's check another one. What about this one? This is good. Check this one. 1.3 amps. So you see, this is just a cheap cable. This is just a cheap one. What about this nice cable? Let's check this one. Let's check this one. .9, 1 amp. See, the charging time is double on this one. Charging time is double. Yeah, let's check more. I have a few more cables here. This looks like a genuine one. 0.78. It's okay, but it's not genuine. What about this one? Let's check this one. Let's check, see if it's good. 1.1 amps. See, same thing. Cheap cable. Charging time is double. What about this one? .9, yeah. This is good. This is a good cable. We have one more. Oh, that's gone. This is not good at all. Let's check the cables which we are selling. £1.4 amps. Yeah, it's okay for £5. What about the expensive one? This is £10 one. Let's check this one. £2, 2.3 amps. You see, we are selling this cable at £10. Those are proper ones. Yeah. So you see, you learned today about the cables. So actually, all the cables are different. You can see, all are different, and obviously, you want to get everything what you can get from the cable. So the best cable will charge quickly your device, and yeah, that's all about it. It's about the charging time. I want to plug my phone to be charged like 1 hour. If it will be charged 2 hours, that's not good for me. Yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.